Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use two cameras on whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use two cameras on whatnot. So there are a few ways to get two cameras set up on whatnot, depending on what you want to of course achieve. On supported iOS devices, whatnot face cam features can use the front and rear cameras simultaneously. So start your whatnot show, tap the three-dot menu while live streaming, and of course then select face cam. Whatnot activities both of the rear and front facing cameras, letting viewers see you and product view at the same time. Option 2 is OBS. For more control, use OBS on a computer. Whatnot officially supports OBS as a source for 2.5 videos, and we have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can actually go and set up OBS for whatnot. This is especially useful for card systems, stream. Whatnot's own setup recommendations describe using an overhead camera for the full setup and close camera for opening packs and revealing cards. One, of course, thing, simply joining your show from a second phone does not normally give you a second live camera. Whatnot reads the second device as a controller for auctions, listings, and giveaways. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.